Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul from Craftelier again. Just thought they'd go on there again because they had some really decent deals going on. So I'm going to dive in and show you what I got. So the first thing is this organiser. They was giving these away completely free. To be honest, I feel like it's a bit naff, but it'll do for something, I'm certain. I have actually got one of these and I have used it for my paintbrush when I've been painting, so because I'm not bothered if it ends up having to be chucked away, but you can't grumble when it's something for free. I then got some more of the Tonic Tim Holtz magnets for the stamping platform, and then I got an embossing dabber. And the rest of all this is all the distress inks that I didn't have because they had a huge sale on these, so I decided I was going to complete my collection, as I've completed my collection of the distress oxides, and my other half has made me a shelf, and I've got it so that there's 2 per shelf, so 1 distress oxide, 1 distress ink. So I just was driving me potty that there was spaces, so I thought, right, let's get in there. So I'll show you the colours I was short. So we've got speckled egg, mowed lawn, hickory smoke, walnut stain, mermaid lagoon, ground espresso, twisted citron, kitsch flamingo, fossilized amber, gathered twigs, villainous potion. I'm probably saying that wrong, but you know me and my words, can't get them out half the time. Lucky clover, picked raspberry, frayed burlap, ripe persimmon, rustic wilderness, seedless preserves, stormy sky, salvage patina, and the last one is tea dye. And then we've just got some pamphlets here, just going on about their website and the stuff that they sell. Yeah, I wish I'd have known that these did the magic mat, so next time I do make a purchase I will definitely be purchasing the magic mat. So that was only a little tiny haul, unfortunately, just because I was literally just wanted to place this order to get the distress inks that I didn't have. But if I do remember, I will actually take a video of the shelf that my other half has made me. I mean, I designed it, but he's the brains about how to build these things. I can't do woodwork for toffee. So I will insert a picture in that if I remember. If you want to have a look at Craftelier, I'll also link it down below. I don't have any affiliate links on my channel, so I don't gain anything. Just put the links there just so it's easier for you if you see something here that I've that I've purchased basically. Anyway, I'm rabbiting on. I would like to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment, subscribe and have a chat with me. I'd much appreciate it, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye.